welcome to another edition with me, Mohamed Sanyang, Concern TV The Gambia. So those who are watching me, what you will do is that tap the screen and share the program or send stars, so that we can also, benefit from this, program. Is Equal Voice Hour on Concern TV with your presenter, Mohamed Sanyang. But we always like to emphasize our topic in the local language for the benefit of our viewers out there. So guys, what you will do is that, send us star, or you tap your screen as much as you can. And today, what we will discuss on this platform on Equal Voice is that we're going to highlight the headline that is, the talk of the town, that is about, ECOWAS says that, Jammeh audio announcement threat to the Gambia peaceful atmosphere. That's what we are going to highlight on this platform. But just a minute, guys. Okay, I'm sorry for that. But what we are going to discuss today on this platform is that ECOWAS says Jammeh's audio announcement threat the Gambia peaceful atmosphere. So guys, what is your take? But let's take a look of Jammeh sending audio to his people that he is coming. I think that's normal. That's normal. To me, because Jammeh also have right to say whatever that he want to say. As the president always emphasized, let him come. He is a citizen. But he need to know that he don't have any power now. But coming back for Kanyamere, Mbafala Bandika Kaula to be Mbekachala Muna on the Equal Voice, Wolom Nyintiko, ECOWAS Yakumaka Bandileko, Jamela Audio, ala Kumaka Milialonko, Akefuntindi Wato Be Ka Aitandiko Abinala Gambia, Umufeneti Nina Hajibe. Aina Bankola Cairo aya nanjula aya baramale demandi ndela jeroto wo is normal Jamaica audio sen kafuko abinala Gambia is a citizen as President Barrow always emphasized kafuko aina plenol beborika wato me so I'll tell you when Jibega I'll set a comment section on the or alia stars or key Equal Voice learning. So Mbekibar kun kachakan as a topic because akumada bakale puruka diam ning akola because Jamela audio ntiajele ko wo mu feneti mu yalon ko Cairo dorono Cairo dorono magic ko wo mu feneti mu yalon ko asenna Cairo lanjurno because niajibe Gambia mu peaceful country let Cairo le Gambia mu peaceful country let so Jamela fo ka mena banko diwolom ala nyantolom pour ka kankula ko bina Gambia because nyum manka sinya foloti nyum manka sanje foloti kabrin Jammeh boda jam Gambia bankum kan aka yitan di mon la ko wato be abinala so but hani bi siloma so ne ano so ala nyim fo ka fo ko abinala le fay date muta wo is normal because man sakunda from niajibe President Barrow ay mitino soto sukuta watu munna President Barrow ko asina nole bari banko di uno asalong bari asalong ka ko sembe tala ni banko nyinka former president olo sembe tala banko nyinka so but ECOWAS la nying kibar kung do point newspaper ya safele ka itandi ko ECOWAS ko jammela nying foro ata mu fenneti mu yalon ko ayna kairo nying aya lanjur le demanding so but mbe aji nyami is normal mbe aji nyami is normal because jamme meta fola abena manke biti jamme meta la fola ko ala mole ko abinala le Gambia so but this year fa long mutakaje ko abinala le Gambia bangkong so I think mul nyanta focus la muna rek wala nyanta ko continue la hajola but najele fanan president fa ya sembentuya Adam Barrow fa ya sembentuya ka jitandi ko ako what okay thank you for that comment. Album kela reg alba tabla le as much as you can, alias ya. Alse comment sol fanan kino le. Alse comment sol fanan kino le. But mbe nunca chakang on the equal voice Usman Mane do kunyo abesel la nanne natele ka programo nyinke on the equal voice but komi bimbe nunca chaka wala nyinte ko pertaining to ECOWAS source mundi kaitan de ko jammela audio mu yalon ko akabondi is a threat to national security so mulam altella miroti because niaji be ntela miro mundi wala mindi ko is normal pour jamme audio bula ka fu ala mole ko mbina o manka ku hulati Gambe bankunka o manka ku hulati. Is it that because of sana manja nyomu muta wala kijafaro na mansa kunda muta bam o wala kijafaro fa ECOWAS muta bam I cannot just understand because it's normal ka fo kombina I think that woni wo manyoma ka fo ko sana manja nyomu muta o jamme ka audio mumbula this is something that is real. I don't see that as a reason, we alonko, abena, Cairo, Lanjula, because banko de come President Barrow from Yafanyami, ako jamme mu banko tiuleti, plane ol be borekane, motor be borekane, fo ay treno include ko treno be borekane, national mole. But anyanta alon na ko former president lati but ate fanan bi naje kibara kundo ate fanan kata mo di mu yalon ko man sakundala karola president Barrow ay ECOWAS la nyim kuma kawta ka sembentuya kaje ko jammela ni audio amu feneti mu yalon ko ay ay mol batande bagel ni nata karola Gambe mkaira bankol nte I don't see that nying I mola kairo lanjurle no nte I don't agree with that because audio ala nyantolom pour ka diab so that means that bala hadma dia nyantole siska so it's normal man sakunda nyanta focus la munga wala mindiko they focus on their development, but not to focus on jamme. Jamme la new audio. Jamme la new audio emanyana ka focus oka. Jamme la new audio emanyana ni jela as a national threat. Emanyana jela. Itel nyanta focus la munga wala nyin because they focus on developmental agenda. The development of the country is a concern issue because we have a lot of things, that are not working in the Gambia. But mira nying kusi fala about Jamela audio munyano ko akabondi. I don't take that as something that will disturb us. disturb our peaceful atmosphere. Yeah, bangku ding long, ala human right long purka diam, ala human right long purka audio sen ala party members only, kaitan dila ko, I'm coming, confident dila. These are all, political, tactics, that he is using. Yeah, these are all political tactics that he is using, to convince some Gambians, kaitan di Gambiano dola ko, abinalale. And in kaitan di ala party militants la ko abinalale ka confident dila to how to maintain their political party, APRC political party. Mbe aje wala nyama, but kafo ko it will affect our peaceful atmosphere. No, I don't think that Jamela audio will affect our peaceful atmosphere. I don't think that. So, but the most important aspect here is that let government focus on development, because more money along ko equally jarole fa or you title everything di fana information minister ko hani ya jame peko around leto ikai ko ulin na Gambia te hanila. So I think that man sakunda manyan na worried so much that for ECOWAS fanang ka statement or source funding the kaidan ko Jamela Kumakao is a threat. No, it's not a threat to our peaceful atmosphere, because Namansa Kundala minister president bang ibele diamda about this issue. Kaidan ko Jameta hanya kana. So that is normal. So mung bije wala nyinti ko etel nyanta focus la mung kan wala nyinti ko etel nyanta focus la on development, because Gambia is not developed. Gambia is not developed. Gambia be sularing development in all aspects, because there are a lot of sectors they are lacking in the country. There are a lot of sectors abe lacking in the country. Nitan health sector jibe is the poorest. The health sector is very poor. Bori kendo fama buka soto na lotan olto. Bori kendo fama buka soto na lotan olto. Nitan agricultural sector. Just even imagine, fama sol la kodo eka soto nyadile. They are suffering. Farmers, they are struggling how to get their money, because farmer miyalong ko among, with, account also do ubala ko do receive no la nyadile. Farmer miyalong ko atabe ulo la kono jana, abe bolong kono, ubala ko do so do la nyadile. So government should focus on that far more better than they focus on Jammeh's issue or Jammeh learning audio. Jammeh, Jammeh be plan so leke kamu yalong ko ala political party be strong no la nyadile, because Jammeh na audio bondi wat o wati ikaji la ko modul ka confidence so ka ko yes, Jammeh is the president who can lead us. So woka kenale modul ka confidence so ka ko yes, Jammeh de tumando bato na muruta nang asike president. So Jammeh bo plan so le use kan. This is what our government need to understand. They should focus on development far more better than to focus on Jammeh learning audio. Because akata man sakunda headache leti. Alina to nyafonye akata akata Adam Barrow headache leti. Barrow na la cabinet minister akata problem walati. Jamela audio Musa Boko Hawa is a national threat to our peaceful atmosphere. No. I don't buy that. Yeah, but the most important aspect here, let them focus on development. Let them focus on development. That's the most important aspect here. But to focus on Jamela audio, Jamebo audio bula bula nale. ECOWAS cannot stop that. Honey, United Nations cannot even stop Jammeh. Because ala human right law puru kaje ko audio bula. Yes, pour kaji ko audio bulala human right one. So, wobe ke no la issue di nyadile. Until bo stop no la nyadile. Because jamme political party le soto. Political party le babul. Gambia Bangkongkan. And that political party is still functioning. Mol Bijele as a party militant. Mol Bijele as a party militant. So I think, government manyane ifang batandi la wala. Government manyane ke ifang batandi wala. What they should do, wala mindiko Italy focus on whatever that they want to develop or to take the Gambia to another level is far more better than. Because Miyajibe, Gambia coming back for Kanyami, there are a lot of sectors that people are complaining. There are a lot of things that are lacking in the country. So, Mumbije rek wala nyindeko, it'll nyanta focus on their development, far more better than, ika jamela kuo mira. Jamme, ala audio ata stop nola. So, fase audio ki, pour kaje ko, kuma kama muyalon ko abala pati bambandila. Ani kuma kama muyalon ko abe gambenol sola courage la, pour kaje ko yarafan ya jamme asina nole ay mansia because wala believe bedol bulu. Maybe government Adam Barrow na cabinet minister will be masilanding because to mando bato jamela sort of jamela sort of go ye pusur pasar so but Olon fendi bi muliyalon ko ba kachakan so atel mul benjibe kan al star sol ki esaje do ko finance so ne ambul aning nalla fa comment sol ki la about mbe mum kachakan bi akumara bakale al yalla comment sol di but mbe mum kachaka wala nyiti ko ko was wala afo ko jamela audio ka kibaro di mu fenati mu yalan ko is a national threat. So mu fenati mu yalan ko is a national threat. Mbole kachaka bi. Okay, Mr. Mane lo ne jibe ba ngai lo ne jibe ba mfase request okay ba. Mr. Mane, request okinam ne accept. Request okinam ne accept. So atel mun benjibe kan. So what is your take? I'll say I'll comment sol di atel mun benjibe kan Canada jibe rola al star sol ki atel mun benjibe kan isaje fanana do ko seso ne ambulu nyami atel mun benjibe kan. So it's very important pour be namunna fenan on an equal voice wolom nyindiko ekwas le afoko jamela audio munyalon ko akakan kula wato be ka foko abina Gambia iko wo Miyajibe is a threat to the peaceful atmosphere of the country. So bole kachakan komin na fa nyamere wo mu feneti mu yalon ko to me is normal. To me is normal, jamela for ka foko abina Gambia Bangkongkan awo mu fenati mu yalon ko is normal because ñu manke ya jamme sinya politika ayitande ko abenala Gambia Bangkongkan. So mbela miro to kay aboke kane just to maintain his political career ndela jero to aboke kane just to maintain his political career and umu fenne di muyalon ko is normal. Yes. Lawrence, good to know that you are watching me. Okay, good to know that you are watching me. How are you doing? You okay? So I'll start all kinam fana, isaje do process ne amo nyami. Because bimbe mun kachakan womu fenne di muyalon ko. Jamme bo, strategy play kanne. Isaje, party militanol. Party nying isamu te bulutan nim fulol. Because ni nata jibe Gambia mo jama ta fole yara fam ni na lon fam na jamme tuje mo jama lo kofo mo jama lo kofo kabring naje ko kuol mantano mo jama le ka emphasize ko jamme fam tuje fa wala official so mo jama ko le fo Gambia bankunka mo jama ka folo ko ya fan jamele fon officiata because bi ni agibe ku jama la bije mun ya don ko ifalenta ni na babu Kenya jibe Gambia bankunka B is very very expensive B ni na jibe na lockdown to ni da je fem katarje borol dabu kama tiketo jole $15 yetiketo jo at the end of the day ye lab jo in those days ikata lab le buka fenjo bon shiny tata loktano jamal do hani tata malaria test ika jole so it's very expensive Gambia ambitaka nyami walakin mo jama bije ning jamme diam tarek e ko kontan ala kuola Gambia di jama ka kontana wa Qur'anu min jamme diamda aka public attention on le create min jamme diamda rek e ka jele all over on the social media platform Gambia non ka funde ka kacha la ko la ka kacha ay kuma kan mul fo mul ka distribute to their social pages TikTok olombang Facebook olombang WhatsApp group olombang so it's a public tension attention all create just to capture our mindset just to maintain his political career or just to maintain his political militance. And for me I think that that is normal. Yeah, that is normal for me. Yeah, so that's it. Always a concern TV le GB campaign on the equal voice, equal voice program on the program on the program kutolom on concern TV jam and kakaja Gambia la kula anum bakata la nyabe siyo nyama mo kumalu invite jam on this platform niye kacha soto niye interview soto and mbakatala fanan to discuss more national issues on this platform. So album kala regal kan noma on all our social pages album kala albe star sol la kila nan album jibe kan jang albe star sol la kila jang isaje na dogo se sone ambulu nyame but bi mbe mun kachaka wala nyinti ko ekwas la kuma kan ya muyitande ko jamela audio ka kankular ke umu feneti mu yalon ko is a threat for nte moje as a threat nte moje as a threat because Mansakunda found Barrow found on a political podium adiamta le kabrita da sukuta mitinola adiamta wala karola baga ala minister diamta yaje ko jamme aka kumakan fo wotetel bondile tel noto am former president nodi jamme Barrow fan ko nyaadi former president non ako plenol be borikane motol be borikane so ECOWAS la nyin kumakan I don't see that as a national threat. I don't see that as a national threat. So mumbije wolo minti ko Jammeh be nyinke kanne based on his political will. Ninte ba analyze la abake kanne based on his political will. Yeah, na boss. Abaraka bage for the compliment. Yeah, abe nyinke kanne based on his political will. Jammeh wise ta bakelde. Jammeh wise ta bakele. Because amalafi ala political career. I can null and void. I can zero. No, I'm a left wall. Because Jammeh sort of found le babul. Jammeh sort of found le babul Gambia. So I'm a lefiko. I forward sort of found Bela. I left ale pour a la political career be maintain no la nyadile. Maybe, as a keno, it's all possible. I can answer the question because molbe la frala Gambia molbe la frala. Obey possible knowledge. Obey possible knowledge. So and secondly also mol mulyalanko they don't have confidence. Will level diam come. Maybe so the family mulyalanko idunta nyokono because Jammeh Commission they have $1 million question to answer. Yeah. Though, commission be carrying be cool nil fenke kane, sort of all nil wafita nyadile, fine. But, yet, they have a lot to do. They have a lot to do. Yeah. Because those assets, state property loan. Fine, it's a state property. But is that guarantee them to sell all those all those property? So telling us that he is coming, it's normal. So na kabina nde oleje because womantel bonded lado. So government money no killer as a headache, because it's disturbing our executive members. Barona cabinet minister, they're comfortable. I don't know the reason why they are not comfortable. I don't know the reason why they want to use this as a headache, because be telephone diam kala be telephone diam kala. So but the reason why munatina itel even taken as a big thing, because you manke Jammeh sinya follow the kaf kombinagal and binagal. Fodung sena manja mumuta is because of that. Is because of that. That's what they think. Kafuko, is connected to Jammeh. Kafuko, Jammeh, Kafu, Wato Be Amina. It's quite interesting. So, though President Barrow Kafuko Amujatole, Jato by so. But on a serious note, ECOWAS la nyim kumakao, ndea di nyami wolom nyintiko. It's not a national threat. It's not disturbing our peaceful atmosphere. Ndeba analyze la wole nyama. Ndeba analyze la wole nyama. It's not affecting the peaceful atmosphere of the country. Yes, Mulai, alhamdulillah. Thanks for the comment. Yeah, I miss you. Yeah, I miss you. How is the family? They are okay. So the most important aspect here is that they should work. They should try by all means to develop the country. President Barrow and focus local to focus on any ECOWAS Bay. To focus on Jammeh audio, is not something that we need to worry too much about it. Yeah. Among kentel Gambian la problem oti. Among kentel Gambian la problem oti. You know, mumuntel la problem oti is development. We need development. We need development. Gambia is yet to develop. Gambia kujamala bije miyalonko is lacking. Ndelbe koma ba kele. Ndelbe koma le. There is nothing absolutely. Kurang la karola koi. Wote fola. Health sector la karola wote fola. Danyinu la karola wote fola. Ulum Gambia la problemoti. Unemployment rate fana is getting higher. Ulum Gambia la problemoti. Mansa kundai mechanism la sabo. To solve all those problems. Ulum tel la problemoti. But ke mira jamme la audio la ke mira jamme la kuma kawan mulia la ka audio announcement no mun fundini ke mira wala about that it's not that much important. It's not that much important. So let the government focus on development of the country or development agendas. Because Niajibe government and development agenda, nothing is functioning well. Nothing is functioning well to my own analysis. I stand to be corrected. Government na developmental agenda mumunti. Atelier mule je miya lonko anyabo waka gamenoli kontra masubala. Atelier mule je Muya lonko anyabo wata Gambianole nise woso bala. Alafonye on the comment section. So let them focus on that. Let them focus on that, but they can focus munka wolon Jamela ni audio announcement on. Jamela audio announcement on. Wo mufene de muya lonko abana la party members o letema anim banku de muya lonko still ye jamme kan because banku diun hani bi dolbe larin ne ko ya jamme be man sa yakelal ko tek dolbe larin ne fo eta government ba dinaila ba o ma son dala ba man so ala ba but banku diun dolbe larin ni la ko jamme will come back and lead the country. Banku diun dolbe lari wala and banku diun dolbe lari neko jamme is the only president muyalon ko as a banko develop no dolbe lari wala le dolbe lari wala le because the difficulties that we are facing, my brother, the difficulties mbe kole ya munkono wala tina modul ibe focus ring jamaica wala tina modul bije they focus on jamme wala tina modul bije nin jamme audio bula rek ikaje ko ake interest ba kele mol ka focus akam ba kele because mbe mun ko nolom because ni jamme la regime jibe ani barola regime jibe sawnin bankolom bi mano mu jolleti banko ka bi tulo mu jolleti banko nyinka so jammela audio atimu fenneti mu yalon ko ndella analysis to nimba analyze la wolum nyimti ko jamme bo ke kan pour ala kanun de ya nyin se sembo na soto because baro mantere la do ko ke kan baro ni be la do ko ke kan mol mol be nyina la jammela ko la nim banko be develop ka mol be nyina la jammela ko la motala audio fa la moyla motala audio fa la moyla mote focus no la audio kan but niaje mol be focus ring jammela audio kan ala audio announcement kan is because of you baro it's because of you niaje bi gambenol ka focus gambenol ka interest jammela audio mu yalon ko akabula is because of President Barrow alina to nyafo nyoy because me be la do go ke kan honestly speaking people Gambians they will not have that time Gambian all to time also tal But niaje Gambenol bo time also dola. Ibe mira la Jamela kuola. It's because of you, President Barrow. Itele asabu. So it's not a national threat. Jamela audio announcement no muyala umpa kabula for nyokono. Puru Gambenole. It's not a national threat. It's not a national threat. Umu feneti muyala ko jamme bo ke kanne. Puru kala parti o sansam. Jamme bo ke kanne. Puru ala parti militant sol say confidence do ka fo kabinala. Political strategy lo. Political strategy lo. President Barrow ni bela do bo ke kam wallahi more the people Gambians will not focus on Jam. But more ya jele ko fenne mantar tamaka. Fenne mantar develop kam Gambia bangkum kan do huleti Gambia bangkum kan fenne tiji. Wala tina mol ka focus, mol ka interest, mol ka particular about Jamela audio la. Mol ka focus akan 100% because ya alam ko ilang man sakunda almantar fenke ka. It's a great setback. Setback long. It's a totally a failure. It's a failure. Because development in Gambia, finite develop kanje. So wala tina mol ka focus on Jamela Kumakang. Jamela Kumakang, dolbije yalong imalong mol latala 100%. Ala party militanon 100% illatala and believe that. So maybe because niaji be suguda rally to ite lotale with confidence. So why ebe ECOWAS la nyim kumo sementu yala bi? Why ECOWAS be nyim kumo tala ka itende ko is a national threat? Jamela audio. Why ECOWAS be nyim fundindil? Why ECOWAS be nyim insano? Maybe to mando about the complaint to ECOWAS. But sukuta rally, abe internet or mobile yaji. Sukuta rally to, President Barrow ya itandile ko 100%. Kaya itandi, atalong mansat. So muna atina be, alo kumol falita ko. So I cannot just understand that. Algo kuma kama falin na koteke. So nyimu fene de muya lonko, until Gambian we don't worry too much. Man model on that, but ndela analysis, ndela opinion o mundi, mbole focus on the topic. Mbole focus on the topic. So where are you living? Ibrahim Dibasi. Ibrahim Dibasi Jumalon. Yeah, Ibrahim Dibasi Jumalon. So I like Soldi or Ali comment Soldi pertaining to this topic that we have here on Equal Voice Concern TV, the Gambia. So be kacha be fanamuna ulam yentiko ECOWAS la foroto Kafuko Jamela audio announcement is a threat to the Gambia peace. No, it's not a threat. Mandela Cairo Bondamot. Al Kudofo. Maybe to Mando Bato, Mol Mulialonko, Jamela Sotofeon Riba, Pasarka. Wo to Mando Bato, will leve. Balandi nyinkola kaje ko abenna Cairo nasib bilale no nyinte na Cairo nasib bila Jamila foro ka fo ka bina mbi ajele ko abala political party le sansanka abala political abala political party le sansanka so nzamfai kajado ko mabari wato tije okay, is President Barrow the new PRO of ECOWAS? Please let me know. No, Guy, I don't think so. Is the new PRO. Guy, Lamin Badi. Thanks for the comment. I like in the Galia share. I'll start all for Nanki. Okay, the moon for Nangiwe, la Wolom Yentiko, Wolom, former TRRC, Baba Galle, TRRC, la chief, Adele Baro Yamari. Kaje ko tata mu feneti mu yalon ko amanyen ko dulato ma ako to nyalon ala nyantolo but kaje ko puro ay bunya solo banko nyinka akana tata tam ate ya mari wala baba galle jallo TRRC la chief it's a good advice. But est-ce que President Barrow will advise Otala? Because our African leaders, Katari Mansaya force African leaders all would the other back. Mansaya force would the other back. Ete banco develop nola. But they will insist to stay in power. They will insist to stay in power. Though, Baba Galle, ilani yamaro correcta bakale. Former TRRC la chief, executive officer, Baba Galle Jallo. Ilani advice or correcta. So, but, for President Barrow, bila kumomoela, bamfati la kumomoela. But, coming, fenno muyalo is a good advice. Nintolom ila advice oni anyanta atalale. Anyanta atalale isaja asebunya baso. Because mansaya is a target nyawo nyanding for let's say 50 years, 70 years or whatever years. Lumbe sila ila mansaya betanna. Ilaman say abetan because Najele, Gaddafi, Gaddafi laman say ado, Abenyadi lebi, Famandan, Alaman say adandale. So, don't overstay. But African leaders, they always like to overstay. They always like to overstay because these are treaties that is signed. Ni mu fenne di mu yalon ko treaty lo mu yalon ko African head of state ibele ya sign kaitan di ko two time. So but why because this is what happened in Senegal, our neighboring country. Macky Sall insists, but at the end of the day amana work no adu ate work la Gambia. So President Barrow ni lafta tarla bunya kono yesi la bankum kan Dalam miro tayo Baba Galle la kumota. Baba Galle la advice mo ay mum foi. Former TRRC chief. Ay mum foi. Ay good advice la dila. And you should seriously take note. Puriyetar bunya kono. Puriye si bangko kang bunya kono. Kana overstay, kana contest. For that time, my brother, this is something that you say before, Mr. President. Coalition 2016, ikaw ito man na overstay. Ikaw ito man na overstay. Ikaw ito na dalasot duration like, puro ka leader, maral kulumong ba Gambia. Alnadala Purpo Bondi. President Barrow doesn't take advice, so please don't waste your time and energy on him. No, kami headline only. Mbola use correct, headline only. Mbola use correct, but it's something that is true. Ning alafta ko ay tari bunya kono. I see bunya kono Gambia bangkungan. Because we ajibere Guinea Bissau la president. Ye kodo jolle ba mutabulu. Ye kodo jolle mutabulu tubabudu. silo kam e jolla mutabulu 5 million euro yola mutabulu. So at the end of the day o kodo nying ba bele tala bulu i mariye bo mansa ya kono kairo kono yesi la banko kan kairo kono. That's the most important aspect. So nying ka kuma kama monfo baba galla jallo ka kuma kama monfo ni isi da ya mira bake Mr. President abi na fala bakele because at the end of the day ni ko iba ko force la bunyate tar la je bunyate tar la je. So but ni lafta bunyate tar je modo londi as your political party flag bearer. Your political party flag bearer. Two term. Na constitution or new constitution on ning ayatar ko nung wala be wokan nung. But aliol mudale na deputy ya mudale ya fay dos binokon. With all huge amount of money spent on that new constitution. Yo tale ya ka dos binokon ya kan balito kon. Yo tale adu womu gabe diun la kuma kamala. So President Barrow nintermitted Baba Galle ala nyum kuma kam I will take note bajela ko na kuma kam nyim ta respect keneke with all nyatum kaya la dia nyatum kaya la dia manya no jibela nyanda mo jibela wala minti ko life after presidential nyanda focus low like and last but not the least Mum Kachala on the platform government to use wave money transfer to pay farmers. Mansakunda of the day until Allah ko jakalo watabaka wave money ndella Senegal most of them they don't have access to smartphone. For mansakunda le smartphone o sabna bon kabi for mansakunda le smartphone o sabna bon kabi Senegal because Senegal dol biye wol man smartphone o solo. So neither kafo wole ko mbal jola through wave. Is that even safe? Because wave be niadi be kalbandia fonsiata kono. Kalbandia fonsiata kono. Kalbandia asiata wave la karola back. Because be ekajele ko modo e call afo ko ha mistake talena wave leki na assign cancel na. So ning we access to the no tell a wave la rek. Can easily take all your money. And you said those people, they cannot read and write. They cannot read and write. Ila telephone maybe to mando bato ko tetarlal. So at the end of the day, modo se telephone yintano la ala kodo ning alie joroke turu ala wave la ala kodo ni modo yata ay kodo ni beta ay be transfer. So ni wave issue ke Senegal jo through wave issue umu fene di muyalonko is not guaranteed. It's not even helping us. It's not helping our farmers. Why should they do that? Because last year kill money. Farmers will do be from kill money from. They face a lot of challenges because internet. It kill money but la internet also. They seem like wave also. They seem like wave. I think is even better. Alie bank sol, alim bank sol ye do okay. Alim bank sol ye do okay because ni tata na tundol bekang Gambia pangkungkang kabring ko na up to atong bank sol be fatafatarin dulatol. So why not alie bank sol from higher ni ayadal ko atelas accountant wol kodola karola mon forea it's better alie bank sol jo anole do okay bang soleta sekoro ka joro ke je bang soleta e joro ke je because tereto mu fenne di mu yalon ko sama sen la jama bi je ka kontan sama sen la jama bi je ka kontan tereto la so obviously natel ko aligni method le be bolanam sama sen la kan still albe sama sen la fa kan ne albe muro la ke kanal kan ne al ke kanati. So, agricultural minister, Demba Sabal, Fere Dojibe, Mansakunda, President Barrow, Al Fere Dojibe, Al Senegal Jono la Nyami Kas. Senegal Jo Kas. Kafoko ha, Nay Ale Kodo di Allah, accountanol dolbije, Eka Kodo Tinyale o Eka Kodo Sunyale. Nko ala di bank sol la al nim bank sol e do ko ke bank government al nim bank sol e do ko ke bank ali sama senelal jo rokas bar ka fa ko imbal jo la turu wefle wo mu kunta yale di wo mu al be sama senelal batam bi kan al be sama senelal batam bi kan al be kule la kan sama senelal kan mi alon ko kolea balom dunu balom adu sama sinala dol bije ibe fole la kodolal because be niagi be wave hanis kama sol ike wave useless skama sol ike wave useless mose tawnole ay domandin kiye ay afo ko hanani amount kari le kiye ite na mistake yo akam amount o sainka ki yo amount of 50 key or ye more than that amount of key mi alongo is too much and nina ta wave la karola gibe more than 50,000 no it's not possible so ni sama senela dol bije mun alongo la kodo is more than let's say 100,000 or 100,000 plus how would those people be paid because we have bukata me 50,000 wave bukatan bi 50,000 so ni sama senala ni alon ko ala kolo tambi da 50,000 how would those people be paid Gambia government nyanda sila like a cool rationalize is far more better than because at the end of the day farmer solte sa wasutala tanin na be fa alale bata ni tata wave dula do la fa ko do nyum bondi la ito ko do be so do nola ebe kodo chotin di lelale wave dula dol bije ni data even 20,000 from bukatari bol even 20,000 from bukatari bol so ni fama muya lon ko abe ni green kodo la because fama zol dol bije ka julol leta e ka loan leta to do their farming activity e ka julol leta to do their farming activity so ning wol yela turo niwole la tiota ka wafi those people they are expecting them to pay they are expecting them because in agreement or katarije because dolbije kata jambando tabula dolbije kata turo tabula dol kata tio tabula dol to dolbije ka e ka seno fam dontal ka itan ni kon ninna na tio wafere onina na sama fen wafi rek mbela ko do ngurindi le male so but if government come with this method ka fo ko be sama senelal jola turu wefle no for me I don't buy that idea is it's just hilarious umu fenne di mi alon ko akole asa bakele sama seno diminto wele mbiya dan ne ko sama senelal Gambia bankun kan ika sofale a lot of challenges le soto Mansakunda buka jamando di sama senela firi Mansakunda buka sama senela sembentu ya fenna tous ibuge sembentu ya wala so obviously ni wala sama senefen ibawa african tio ibawa african anyante jola le kas anyante jola le rokas bal ka ko amba sen na tulu wefle wo akamunta lo ko be sama sinilal mu daga ne ke fa wo kay sama sinilal ebe jikla terin sama sinilal ebe kole ala kan sama sinilal kan ni ajibe kole ala kan adun sama sinilal tereto is the time that it can enjoy tereto imamo jalo ye tereto la ako nyadi sunku juba tereto batu so tereto lom time odi munyalo ko sama senalal ifanan ka kontan ikajele ko fentam munyalo ko ay sama senoke afanan ka kontan wo watol most of them ike dimul la ko toboto wala kon dimul la school dimul la lot of things ila project all ila family projects all because most of them ikajele ko tilikando wato kono ila bumun mulyalon ko dulal tinyada they try to maintenance those areas ilafta project ko kala ilafta bumulola they try to do that dol bije ise diun la university jo through that money dol bije diun la tamako isabe to boto kono so sama senal ka jigi ba kele tereto la karola ate mun fenne de muyalon ko sama senala fa miajere ake legra wo wato so but ni wave money ate na sama senala lerindila wave money wo mun fenne de muyalon ko sama senala te sawo sotola it's just like koleala rek koleala koreakan because niya gibe wave money sama senala jolle wave money so o sama senala jolle wave money understand o internet o be sate jolle to because Gambia banku ka internet o serkale government nyanda nyimbe lon na internet o serkale sate dulje network is a problem network is a problem so tumando bato molu ya lon ko be juro kala turu wave la niaki namanta at the end of the day wal so ko do ta no fa ya kati kun abisi ke no la ya kati kun ya insist ka ko nakile so at the end of the day sama sin la yin se fo ala ko lo la so ni mu fenne di mu ya lon ko manyen na ko le ala sama sin la kan so I'll be equal voice le jibe kan on Concern TV so woto equal voice mu program kutale de miyalon ko abe nala le jang be luntawon na fela na jang ni luntawon miyalon ko be kachala banko la kuola anin ku jamal kunu kuma jamal mbolle na tele jang ni be interview so dola so bi na nyila sebale kachato miyalon ko na fela le jang sponsors are invited ni lafta dunia ye kalamuta ebe mamandiro ke kam fanna o fanna la na yenyin programo nyinta ya sponsor ni a sponsor programo nyi wato kono mbela ko kankulaga mbela ko itandila dunia bela ane be nyata ku bale so dala je so ite ke mamandiri ke fewo fenna ni be business o kono ilafta dunia ye kalamuta nana yenyin programo sponsor so woto wato yen so nyelela be jibe lal beta la ke tendu ke jayi albadu malam Mohamed Sanyang France bankunkan almasuto kairo siala ke fano nyimake ala baraka